Do you ever feel like your money disappears the second you get paid? Like the math just doesn't math? You're not crazy. You're just stuck in a money cycle that doesn't work. I'm Vladimir Nemchinov. I went from zero to $600,000 in 11 years, mostly through real estate. Now I'm focused on growing my net worth through retirement investing, and I want to share the financial truth I wish someone told me sooner. Here it is. Broke isn't just about money, it's about not having a system. Most people are guessing with their finances. That's like trying to drive cross country with no map and a blindfold on. So how do we fix that? We start with a plan. A real plan, a budget. A budget isn't about restriction, it's about intention. When I finally made my first real budget, I realized I wasn't underpaid. I was undisciplined. I was spending hundreds of dollars every month on little stuff that didn't even make me happy. Fast food, random Amazon buys, late fees, death by 1,000 swipes. If you want to break the broke cycle, here's what to do. First, write down how much you actually make each month. Not your salary, your take-home pay. Then list your real expenses, all of them. Rent or mortgage, utilities, food, car, gas, insurance, childcare, subscriptions. Now add in the stuff you forgot last time. Haircuts, birthday gifts, eating out. That Target run you swore you wouldn't make but did anyway. When you've got it all down, compare it to your income. If you're spending more than you earn, that's the first fire to put out. But even if you're not, every dollar still needs a job. The goal is zero-based budgeting. That means every dollar you make is assigned a category: bills, savings, giving, fun, until you hit zero. Not zero in your bank account, zero in your plan. You're not broke, you're intentional. Here's a mistake I see all the time. People forget to budget for real life. They write the perfect budget on paper, then blow it up 2 days later because they forgot they have kids who eat like linebackers. Be real with yourself. If your grocery budget is $70 a week, but you're spending $200, it's not the budget's fault. It's the plan that needs adjusting. Budgeting isn't a one-time event. It's a habit. You're going to mess it up. That's okay. Track your spending each week, learn from it, adjust, keep going. The second you stop checking in with your money stops listening to you. I like to do what I call a money check-in every Sunday. Takes 10 minutes. Look at the last week. Where did your money go? What went well? What needs to change? That 10 minutes can save you hundreds over the next month. Let's talk about fun money. Yes, you need it. If your budget doesn't include any room for joy, you're going to burn out and give up. Set aside a little guilt-free money for you. Even if it's just 20 bucks. No judgment, no guilt. Just enjoy it. That makes the whole system more sustainable. If you're living paycheck to paycheck, constantly stressed and wondering why nothing's changing, start here. This is level 1 of the wealth game. Everything else depends on it. You can't invest, you can't save, you can't build wealth if your budget is chaos. But once you get this right, everything starts moving forward. You start seeing progress, you stop overdrafting, you sleep better. If you need help getting your budget dialed in, I've got you. I made a free client assessment form. It takes 60 seconds to fill out. No pressure, just clarity. The link is in the description below. Invest steady, compound your net worth.